Hello, today I would like to show you how you can set up default departure city on your front end. In Administration Console, go to the section Dealers. There, find section called Edit, click through it and scroll down till you find the section called Flight Search, section Default Origin. Here you may enter any IATA city code of the city you would like to have as a default departure city. So let me insert IATA city code for Amsterdam, for example, this way. Let's save changes. Now we will check it out on front end. That's it.